In today's video, we're going to be doing a full review on the WeBull stock trading app. This is an app that allows you to buy and sell stocks absolutely free. We will be comparing all the pros and the cons of the WeBull app. We're going to go into details of all the features that this app offers, and at the end of the video, I will show you how you can get 2 free stocks. Hello everybody, my name is Sanat and welcome to my channel where we talk about everything personal finance, from investing in real estate, from making money online, to buying and selling stocks, all that good stuff. So make sure you smash that like button. Also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Now let's get into this review. So a couple of years ago, I started looking for ways to buy and sell stocks absolutely free. I came across an app called Robinhood. We all have heard of Robinhood. So I signed up, started using Robinhood. But after a while, I realized that it did not have the features that I wanted. So I constantly had to jump from platform to platform until I had a good platform that had all the features that I wanted and all the features that I personally needed in order to buy and sell stocks. Robinhood is a good app, but it does not have all the features that WeBull had. So what did I end up doing? I switched over to WeBull. It is way easier to have everything in one simple app. Makes buying and selling stocks way easier, especially knowing that you do not have to go from one app, go to another app in order to get the information that you need to buy the stock. So I switched over to WeBull, and now I'm giving you a full review on the app. Now let's talk about some of the features that the WeBull app offers. Feature number 1, real-time data. This is so important, especially when buying and selling stocks. You want the latest information available, and WeBull offers just that. Before WeBull allowed people to buy and sell stocks absolutely free, the app was specifically focused for data research for your investments. So WeBull provided information for investors that they can use in order to make decisions if they should buy a stock, if they should sell it, or if they should get in on the trade. So WeBull offers some of the best information when it comes to stocks, and it is all in real time. This is critical, especially in this market where a news article or a news post can pretty much swing a stock 5 to 10% down or 5 to 10% up. And getting this information live into your account can be very profitable and very beneficial to every single investor. One other feature that I love about the WeBull app is the analyst ratings. Analysts give information on when to buy the stock, when to sell the stock, and when to hold the stock. This can be very beneficial, especially if you're looking to buy a stock and you want the one that is most recommended. You'll be able to get this information in the app in a matter of seconds. Also, if you're not sure if you sell the stock, hold the stock, you can use this data in order to make a decision. Also, WeBull has some awesome research tool for technical traders and long-term investors. And this includes press releases, earnings reports, earnings data, dividend dates, key financial documents, analyst ratings, and more. Before we get to the next feature, make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'll be starting a brand new series all about WeBull and buying and selling, investing with this app. I'll be depositing money into my WeBull account every single week, and I will show you exactly what stocks I'm buying, why I'm buying the stocks, am I trading or am I keeping the stocks for long-term investments, all that good stuff. It will be pretty much a way to show everybody how I personally invest with this app, how I personally make money in the stock market. It's going to be a long series, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. One other feature that I like about WeBull is you can create watch lists and set alerts. So for example, you can pick 5, 10, 100 stocks that you're interested. You can add them to your watch list and they'll be there for easy access, that you'll be able to get the information on them as soon as possible. Also, you are able to set alerts. For example, one of the stocks that you're watching goes down 10%, you'll be automatically notified. This will create an awesome opportunity because you'll be notified and you'll be able to take action and buy the stock as soon as it goes down and as soon as you get the alert. And now let's talk about the pros and the cons of the WeBull app. Pro number one, if you sign up for WeBull using the link in the description box below, you're going to get 2 free stocks. Yeah, you heard me right, 2 free stocks. This is a great way to start investing, especially if you get 2 steps ahead by getting 2 free stocks. Pro number 2, WeBull offers 100% free IRA accounts. So if you want a free IRA account, WeBull got you. Pro number 3, WeBull offers 100% free commission trading. This also includes short selling. So if you want to buy, if you want to sell stocks, you'll be able to do it on WeBull absolutely free. So no more paying $7 to $10 to buy a stock. With WeBull, it is 100% free. So you can take all the fees that you was going to pay before and invest it in your account and get all of the profits. Pro number 4, WeBull offers some of the best research tools on the market for beginners and for professional traders. So you'll be able to get real-time data and some of the best research out there, all in the app that you'll be able to access in a matter of seconds. Pro number 5, WeBull offers a trading simulator. This is where you are able to practice buying and selling stocks and seeing if you're able to make a return and make some money without risking any of your real money. It is a simulator that uses real information but fake money. So you are able to practice and get crafty with your trading skills. Pro number 6, WeBull offers extended hours, pre-market and aftermarket. This is great because it puts the latest information right in front of you and lets you make a decision even faster. Pro number 7, WeBull now offers free options trading. So you'll be able to trade options absolutely free. So there are some pros with the WeBull app. This app has so many pros. That is just some of my favorite ones. If I was to make a video about all the pros that WeBull offers, this will be an hour-long video. Now let's talk about the cons. Con number 1, WeBull might be information overload, especially for beginners that have never bought a stock, that have never invested. Getting bombarded with all of the information can stress some people out. But the good news is WeBull is constantly improving the app and constantly trying to make it more simple for everybody, and at the same time providing you with all the latest tools and all the latest information. So if you're just starting out, stick with it and it will become easier and easier the more you use the app. Con number 2, currently WeBull does not offer cryptocurrency trading. So if you want to buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, all those cryptocurrencies, WeBull does not have that option as of now. I do not know if this will change later on, but at the time of this recording, WeBull does not offer cryptocurrency trading. Con number 3, currently WeBull does not offer automatic dividend reinvesting. So if you're a long-term investor and you want your dividends to automatically reinvest, currently WeBull does not have that feature. But I have heard good news that this feature will be added sometime this year. But currently, they do not have this feature. And there you go, some cons on the WeBull app. So there you go, some cons about the WeBull app. But overall, the pros outweigh the cons tremendously when it comes to WeBull. WeBull is an amazing app that you can use to buy and sell stocks, to invest, to build your investment portfolio, to start an IRA account. I'm telling you, this app has so many features and so many benefits. I absolutely love WeBull. It is my go-to app. When I want to buy stocks, when I want to sell, I use WeBull. It is my primary investing app, and I recommend WeBull for everybody that wants to start investing in the stock market, that wants to start building a better future for themselves. WeBull is the way to go. And best of all, you get 2 free stocks. And if you are a complete beginner, they offer the trading simulator where you are able to play with fake money but use real-time data to see how things will go. Also remember that I'll be doing a full series on WeBull where I'll be investing money every single week and buying stocks. So if you want to watch my journey, watch me invest with WeBull, subscribe to the channel. This whole series will be awesome. I'll show you everything behind the scenes, everything I do in order to buy stocks, in order to invest. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for this series. All right, everybody, there goes a quick little review on the WeBull app. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash that like button. It helps the channel out tremendously. And in the comment section below, let me know what 2 free stocks did you get with WeBull. And see you in the next video. Peace out.